Mega shout out. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart and hello everyone. And for today's video again, I ordered another pair of shoes in my favorite online shop and it arrived yesterday. So we will do the unboxing for today's video. Okay, again, guys, I love shoes and you know that. And now I will try to check this one once again, disclaimer, I'm not bragging, but I just want to show, and I love shoes. It's not expensive though. Okay, here we go. So I ordered this one, and now oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. So look at. See, now I have this okay, it is kinda like this very nice, same like Crocs. Yeah. And here okay, this one, I love the color. I'm so excited to wear them, guys. Sopra, the brand is Sopra. I'm not particular with the brand though. So thank you here. There's the other one. Oh my god. I love the color, the blue color. See? The next one is Calvin Klein. This is very nice, guys. I love this one. Oh my goodness. So nice. I don't know. So these are the pair of shoes I have. There you go. But most of all, I love. Thank you so much for watching.